Hi, my name is Ali Mroui and I'm currently studying a Master's in Information Management. The title of my dissertation project is testing the potential and the acceptability of modified food recipes with lower greenhouse gas emissions. So what we're trying to do essentially is, we know that the food industry contributes to a significant percentage of greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. So we're trying to target that on an individual level. So we're trying to take a set of recipes, deconstruct them into their constituent ingredients, and then using a custom algorithm, we're trying to check which ingredients have the highest greenhouse gas emissions and trying to replace these ingredients with ones that have much lower emissions. So this is the first part. And then the second part is we want to know how people respond to these modified recipes. And we're trying to do that using online questionnaires where people can rate these recipes. And this would give us an idea about how they respond to this change. Well, so I have some work experience in the environmental field and some work on climate change. So I feel like I understand the importance of this issue, of this global issue. So this is one of the reasons. In addition to that, so it kind of blends two domains which are very interesting to me, which is the environmental field and the information or computer field together. And then I also feel like ingredient swapping is kind of an emerging research field, and it's very interesting to be able to dig in at the initial stage of this research.